Incoming, coronal holes and a glancing CME. Possible storms this week. Today's top story. Upcoming activity is the expected arrival of a coronal mass ejection, CME, from June 8th. Forecast to pass Earth on June 13th, which could lead to elevated geomagnetic activity and an increased chance of G1, minor, geomagnetic storms. This event, combined with continued and renewed effects from coronal holes, means heightened space weather especially on June 12th and June 14th. Aurora. Stay tuned. Flare activity remained low over the past 24 hours with 7 C flares and 1 B flare. The largest event was a C 3.0 at 2150 UTC on June 10th from over the northeast limb. Multiple flares were also observed beyond the northeast limb, though the responsible region has not yet rotated into view. The visible solar disk currently has 5 numbered regions. Most activity originated from 2 moderately large, complex regions in the southwest quadrant, AR4105 and AR4107. Both experienced rapid flux emergence and notable spot growth early in the period, particularly in their leading portions. Another new region, AR4112, emerged but has remained quiet. Several smaller and simpler spot regions across the disk are stable or in slight decay. There are indications of possible new small spot regions near the northeast limb, though poor viewing makes assessment uncertain. All sunspot groups are simple alpha or beta regions. Blasts from the sun? No new coronal mass ejections were observed in the available coronal imagery. Solar wind. Solar wind speeds measured by AC ranged from 400 kilometers per second, 894,775 miles per hour, to 480 kilometers per second, 1,074,000 miles per hour, with particle densities near average and a weak interplanetary magnetic field strength. The north-south component, BZ, fluctuated between positive and negative, with a brief southward dip. These conditions reflected continued influence from a coronal hole high-speed stream, CHHSS. Earth's magnetic field was initially unsettled, Kp equals 3, early in the period, then quieted to Kp equals 1 to 2. What's ahead? Sun-Earth forecast. Moderate to low flare activity is expected in the coming day. The chance for M, moderate, flares is 35% today, and the chance for X, strong flares, is 5%. Geomagnetic activity forecast. The solar wind will continue to be influenced by coronal hole high-speed stream, CHHSS, through June 11th, with effects tapering off by June 12th. A diffuse coronal mass ejection, CME, from June 8th is expected to pass Earth on June 13th, briefly enhancing solar wind conditions. Elevated solar winds may occur from late June 11th through June 12th due to a small northern coronal hole, followed by another increase around June 14th from a southern coronal hole. Geomagnetic activity is expected to range from quiet to active, with a chance of G1, minor, geomagnetic storms on June 12th and June 14th, associated with coronal hole and CME impacts.